The most terrifying moment of my life happened during a math test. A few other girls and I quietly slipped out to the bathroom, planning to check our phones for answers. We had a system. One of us would stand guard while the others quickly exchanged information. When it was my turn, we were all whispering and laughing under our breath when an incredibly loud bang suddenly echoed through the school hallways. We all froze in place. My heart started racing, and as soon as we heard the second bang, a chilling realization settled over us. I had never experienced a feeling like that before. Everything around me seemed unreal, and my entire body was running on adrenaline. Then, the bathroom door creaked open, and I instinctively prepared myself to fight back if necessary. But instead of an attacker, it was my math teacher. His hands were trembling, his face drained of color. He had initially come looking for us because he suspected we were cheating, but now, in a hushed, urgent voice, he told us to stay hidden in the corner. We huddled together, trying to stay completely silent, when suddenly, the door was kicked open with force. My stomach dropped as I saw one of my classmates, let's call him Daniel, step inside, gripping a weapon. I had known Daniel for years. He had always been a little different, but I never treated him unkindly. We would occasionally have short conversations, nothing deep, but enough to be familiar with each other. Now, standing in front of us, he was trembling with fury, his expression unreadable. We were all crying, too scared to move. Then, our eyes met. In that split second, something in his face changed. For a moment, he just stood there, staring at me. Then, without a word, he turned around and walked out. We barely had time to process what had happened before another teacher tackled him to the ground, and my math teacher lunged forward to grab the weapon. That day changed me forever.